Dragonfly machine gives us almost infinite possibilities to shape and form our packages for our future medical devices, and the integration of our electrodes has been solved. Nano dimension give us infinite flexibility in the shaping of our product and a huge speed in prototype design. We have the opportunity to go there, test something out. In an afternoon we have the result and we know this is working or this is not working. So I think this is what is really great with Nano dimension.